on a state's exhibit number 1, which is a misdemeanor plea admonishment. She also acknowledged that her signature was on the trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal. And she also acknowledged that she signed the discovery certification. Now, Ms. Washington.
Yes, sir.
The court had previously asked you that the documents that had your signatures and initials on them, did your attorney go over those documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
Okay, and did you read and understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir, I did. I understand it.
Okay, and now you had another opportunity to talk to your attorney just a few minutes ago. Now, is everything in those documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A state. I have before me state's exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. You like to offer state's exhibit number 1 and state's exhibit number 2, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Adams, you have any objections?
No objections, Judge.
Okay, no objections. State's exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Ms. Washington, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now, Ms. Washington, your attorney, Mr. Adams, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his services?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Adams, you've advised and counseled Ms. Washington. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, she's ready to go.
Okay, so my question was, is there any evidence that she is mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, that's what I'm saying. She's ready. She's not incompetent.
Okay, now, Ms. Washington, the court will accept your plea of no contest. The court will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. The court will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And the court will find that your waivers, your plea and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 5 days, time served with court costs to be taxed and retired.
Ms. Washington, the state is offering that you serve 5 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 5 days in jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case is $327, but you will not have to pay the $327 court cost because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired. Ms. Washington, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, it is. Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Washington, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Washington, this will conclude your case. Please follow the bailiff. You have a blessed day.
Yeah, I'm blessed also. Thank you.